Let's see how we can do keyword searches using keyword lists in an autopsy computer forensics investigation. We've already extracted all of our data, as you can see on the left-hand side, and under keywords, we can see lots of different categories: email addresses, IP addresses, phone numbers, etc. At the top right, we see something called keyword lists and keyword search. So the first thing I want to do is click on keyword lists. So under keyword lists, I can look for specific things such as phone numbers, IP addresses, email addresses, etc. I'm just going to click on phone numbers for now and click on manage lists. So inside the manage list, we get a new pop-up, and it allows us to look at various different things such as the files in keyword index. We can see we have 908,000 files. There's a lot of that. We have chunks in keyword index. Click on string extraction, and we can pick various different languages. So if you have languages that mean something to you, you can go ahead and choose those. If you don't, then you don't have to choose those. Under general, we can see settings such as do not add files into the NSRL or known files to keyword index during ingest, as well as result frequency updates. So I'm going to click cancel on that, go back to my keywords, and I'm going to choose all these different options here. And I'm going to click on search. And now it's doing a keyword search. Now, it's going to look through almost 1 million files here, so it could take a long time. So if that's not what it is that you want to do, you can take them individually. So I'm just going to go ahead and close that to cancel it. I'm going to go back to keyword lists, and I'm going to uncheck a lot of these. I'm just going to leave in URLs. And now I'm going to click search. So now I'm searching for much less information, although it still could take a little while to find. Now, while we're waiting for that, another thing we can do is click on keyword search that you see here. So you can put in any string that you want. I'm going to put in virus just to see what we can find there. And we can choose an exact match, or if I have an expression, you can choose the regular expression for that. But I'm just going to choose the word virus, so it'll be fairly easy to do. So I'll click search, and we can see a new tab pops up. It's looking in all the different files that I have in my computer that I'm investigating, finding the word virus in it. Whereas my keyword search over here is looking for any URLs, which basically is any website that might ever be mentioned in any file. And that's why that one's taking a little bit longer. So we're going through this, and we can see all these different files have the word virus in it. And what's nice is that it highlights it for us in yellow, so we can see where it is and if it has anything that we need to be concerned about. You could do other keyword searches for specific hot topic buttons that may be interesting, such as bombs or any types of threats, things like that. Now, if you ever close these boxes here at the top, you can still see that that keyword hits information over at the left-hand side. So we can see the word virus. We can click on that. Even if we've already closed these boxes, we can go back and we can view that information once again. So that way, if we're working on other things and we need to close those for some reason, that information will still be available to us. So that's how we do keyword search and keyword lists in an autopsy computer forensics investigation.